Hey guys, how you doing? Well, I am back in the bathroom. Won't be a long one though. This right here is that plywood I put up that I've been talking about. Well, let me try to give you some perspective here. Shower. Look, I put up a curtain here instead of a wall. Looks pretty good. Not too bad actually. Started decorating on the pie safe. So it's getting there. But anyway, here's that shower part. That's that wall that I want to build the shelves on, where am I? This side? Which I did get some grout and mortar and stuff today. I already have tiles and I gotta build it out first. So I will do that. But for now, I'm gonna do the same treatment on this wall that is on the rest. So the craft paper with glue treatment. It's working out good. I did it in the rest of the bathroom and it's working out nice. So I'm gonna get that done today. I have some work to do on some things for the shop. I am working on fall, which makes my heart sing. I love it. Love it, love it. It's exciting for me. Made some pumpkins and things. So and I am gonna stain the kids' doors that I put up a couple weeks ago. They need to be stained the same color as our doors, so they match. Slowly but surely, I'm getting things done. The molding, I'll be getting the molding done fairly quickly. I just wanted to work on this bathroom first. There are things I still need to do, like I gotta finish this, the shelves on the inside. Ayden did do the, I don't know if you can see it, he did the wall in there, see? Still need to do around the top. Not all that concerned about that. And the floor is done. This step-up thing has to be done, but for now it's fine. I mean, it's black. And this is the floor that I put in. So still a work in progress, but coming along. It actually looks like a bathroom now. It's not just like a construction zone. All right, I'm gonna do this real fast. It's just this wall. It's not gonna take very long. I've already started ripping up the paper, and I'm gonna get that part done. I'm going to stain the doors, and then I think I will work on crafts. I don't know. Should I try the molding? I don't know. There's one part though that irritates me, and it's this side with this outlet. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me try to see how there's wood above it. You can't have that. I mean, I guess you can if that's how you want to live, but this outlet should be pulled out. There should be wood closer surrounding it, and then the outlet put on top of that wood. Should not be recessed into the wood like this. So I'm thinking what I need to do is pull that out. From what I can see in there, there is some extra wire, there usually is, that I can pull this out. So I'll unscrew that, pull it out. I'm going to have to frame all this out and kind of basically, I don't know, I'm thinking what I might do is actually just cut all of this straight down, because it pretty much lines up with the edge of this, which works out. Just kind of, and then all the way down, just to even it all out and put one piece of just regular wood there. And then I can do the molding around the whole thing. See, this side, they did it right. Even though actually they cut it a little bit too much, so this is even the wide plate, and that's cut a little bit too much. So, but otherwise, this side is done right, where it's on the outside of the wood. There are parts where I'm gonna have to redo, like right here. I put these in temporarily. These are just little pieces. Where am I? This is actually little pieces of the door. They're cut parts I cut off at the bottom of the door because I didn't have, because they were too long. They were dragging. So I'm gonna have to take those down and put new pieces there to come out to here, so that I can put molding straight across in that way. So it's a lot of work is what I'm saying, that has to get done to it, and I'm not sure if I want to tackle that today. Okay, I'm gonna get to work. that's done. I have these hanging off. I'll cut those off when everything's dry, but looks good. Matches. That's the side that was already done. I like it, I like it. Can you guys see it okay? I know. It's hard when you're in here with a long tripod with the legs everywhere because they bump into everything. One thing I wanted to try that we were talking about was seeing if we would move that in front of the curtain instead of blocking the window. I mean, obviously I'm gonna have to do something for privacy in the window. It's a massive window. But I might just test it real quick to see. It slides easy on this floor, so we'll see what it looks like. I don't know. What do you think? Kind of like it, kind of don't. I kind of don't because it's sticking out right here. Let me see if I can get this better for you guys to see with the light. I don't know. So I got the curtain behind it. What do you guys think? I mean, it opens up the window, but it's still blocking part of the window. I'm picky when it comes to decorating. My eye sees something and I'm like, okay, I love it, hate it. Or what can I do to tweak it to make it nicer? I'm not sure. Hey Matt! Can you check something for me real quick? Can you check something for me real quick?
Probably just died.
I'm gonna have Matt look at it and see what he thinks. I'm not loving it. I like that the window's open, but I don't know, I'm not loving the way it looks. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Really?
I don't know.
That was me, that's why I wanted you to check it. Yeah. I'm not sure. See, if we could push it back into this whole corner, yeah. I mean, I would love it right there, but I can't do that because of the stuff. But it's throwing me off, I think, because it is so far forward and it looks like it should be pushed back more. Yeah. I think if that was a solid wall, then maybe it would look better, but it's just, I don't even think it would because it's even blocking the window a little bit. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do the doors now. That's the next thing. Yeah. Charlie, come here. Charlie boy. No, Lily wants to. Ah, she's getting used to you.